Alright, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a quick update video since I've had quite a few things going on behind the scenes. Anyways, the Dark Custom is still here for those who are following the restoration series. There has been some work done, and I've got a few clips in the queue to be edited, but that might not happen for a little while longer. Had a few parts come in, had a few things happen to hopefully help get this thing sped along real quick. Let's see. So, some of the things that happened are, got this right here. That is going to help take care of problem with the quarter panel. Got an accelerator pedal and the cable, and most of all, air conditioning parts, fan shroud, power steering pump, but gonna need a few things to get all that wrapped up. Let's see what else. There's the disc brake master cylinder, and that about does it for some parts. Hopefully get this thing pretty much mocked up, tear it apart again, then send it off to go get the body work done and get this thing painted so we can start reassembling it and get it back on the road.